Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Manju. Starters are liked by everyone, yet we think twice due to their high calorie. But this recipe considers not only all the flavors we crave, but is a healthier option too. So here comes a quick, easy, unique flavored and low calorie appetizer, stuffed mushrooms. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Manju. So let's make stuffed mushrooms.
For this extremely easy recipe, we need button mushrooms, mozzarella cheese, oil, breadcrumbs, garlic, pepper, black pepper, salt, oregano, green chilies, lemon juice and vegetables of your choice. I have taken green bell pepper and red bell pepper and onions. Time to pop up the caps off. Pull gently to make a cavity to stuff the filling. Before this, wash the mushroom nicely. One tip here, don't soak them too long in the water, otherwise they will absorb lot of water. Then wipe it with soft cloth or tissue. Next step, to chop up the stems. Nothing is going to be waste. One suggestion, you can also use leftover stem in the soup also. Chop them very fine. Brush the top of the mushroom with oil. In the saucepan, add oil, now add garlic, followed with onions. Once the raw smell of garlic and onion goes away, add chopped bell peppers, and chopped stem of mushrooms. Now time to add green chilies, black pepper powder, oregano, and breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs help in reducing the moisture and bring everything together. One suggestion here, instead of breadcrumbs, you can add roasted gram flour or besan. So far, I had not added salt in this mixture to hold the crunch of the veggies and to avoid the veggies to release their moisture. Now transfer this mixture to the plate. Once cooled, add salt. For extra added flavor, add coriander leaves and lemon juice. Mix it well. Time to stuff mushrooms. Take enough of the filling. Gently push it in the cavity. Need to get nicely packed. Continue to do the same for all the mushrooms. Finally, top this up with grated cheese. Cheese with black pepper and oregano is terrible. In the same saucepan, add oil. Place all the mushrooms one by one. One tip here, heat the pan on high flame. Place and cook mushrooms on medium flame so that the water content of mushrooms get arrested in the mushroom itself. Don't leave them on low flame, otherwise mushroom will release lot of water and that is not desirable in the starter. Cover and cook on medium flame. Within 4 to 5 minutes, mushroom will get cooked. You can even bake it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Process is same. Home trick for you. This mushroom recipe can be used for main course too when served with gravy. You can play with different flavors in stuffing of your choice: cashews, corns, broccoli, cottage cheese. Please do try this recipe. Everyone is going to enjoy this lip-smacking appetizer. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Manju Makes for more awesome recipes like this. Bye!